The Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360, a great 16-inch laptop for Samsung phone owners. Introduction. I was initially skeptical about 16-inch laptops with Intel processors, but after using the Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360, my opinion has changed. If you own a Samsung phone and are in the market for a new laptop, this device is worth considering due to its excellent integration with Samsung's ecosystem. Samsung loaned me the Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 for review, and I've spent over a month using it extensively. Given my past experiences with Intel-based laptops, I had concerns about performance and battery life, but I was pleasantly surprised. Design and ergonomics. The Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 features a sleek, slim design despite its large 16-inch screen. It is lightweight enough for extended use without feeling cumbersome. The laptop has a metal build, ensuring durability while maintaining a premium aesthetic. A standout feature is its 360-degree hinge, which allows it to be used in multiple modes, including laptop, tent, and tablet mode. This was especially useful during my travels when using the laptop in tight spaces, such as an airplane seat. Samsung has also included the S Pen, which complements the two-in-one design. While I personally didn't use it much, it is a great tool for those who enjoy digital drawing or handwriting notes. Display and audio. The laptop sports a 16-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800, 3K. The screen is vibrant, sharp, and supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for watching videos, web browsing, and productivity work. It also supports HDR, ensuring great contrast and color accuracy, which is perfect for media consumption. The audio experience is impressive, featuring quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support. The combination of excellent visuals and immersive sound makes it a great choice for entertainment. Performance and battery life. The Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra processor, with configurations available for both the Core Ultra 5 and Ultra 7 variants. My unit came with the Core Ultra 5 processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB NVMe SSD. Performance-wise, it handled my daily workflow seamlessly, including web browsing, app analysis, writing, and media consumption. It also managed more demanding tasks such as video editing and Android app development efficiently. If you're looking for a gaming laptop, however, this may not be the best option, as it lacks a dedicated GPU beyond Intel Arc graphics. Battery life exceeded my expectations. I averaged between 10 to 14 hours of usage on a single charge. Additionally, the laptop has excellent standby time, meaning you won't find your battery drained after leaving it in sleep mode for extended periods. Productivity and Samsung ecosystem integration. One of the standout features of this laptop is its seamless integration with Samsung devices. Features like Samsung Multi-Control, app continuity, clipboard sharing, and call syncing make it an excellent choice for those using a Samsung phone or tablet. Samsung's Custom Settings app, which brings a One UI-inspired interface to Windows, makes customization and device management easy. If you own a Samsung device, you'll appreciate the additional features that enhance productivity. Port selection and keyboard experience. The laptop includes a mix of modern and legacy ports. It has two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB-A 3.2 port, an HDMI 2.1 port, a microSD card slot, and a headphone jack. However, both USB-C ports are located on the left side, which might be inconvenient for some users. The keyboard is comfortable, with well-spaced keys and a numpad. However, the touchpad is slightly off-center due to the numpad, which took some getting used to. I also had to adjust the touchpad sensitivity settings to avoid accidental cursor movements while typing. Conclusion. The Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 has completely changed my perception of 16-inch Intel-based laptops. It offers fantastic battery life, excellent Samsung ecosystem integration, and solid day-to-day performance. If you own a Samsung phone or tablet, this laptop is an ideal companion.